Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Helmahira Ismahriani. People usually call me Helma, with number law student B1A024117. And my friends?
My name is Agra. You can call me Sifa. With number law study B1A024109.
Our discussion about argumentative in law text, uh, which is our text is about.
It is part to lower the acts of criminal responsibility.
Hello, I'm Helma. I will explanation about our text, argumentative text. My turn is introduction or thesis statement. The suggestion to reduce the age of criminal responsibility or ACR has ignited significant discussion in both legal and ethical arenas. Some contend that juvenile delinquents should confront the repercussion of their behavior to safeguard the community. Nevertheless, Indonesia's legal framework, as outlined in Law Number 11 of 2012 on the Juvenile Justice System or UU-SPPA, highlights restorative justice and diversion, focusing on rehabilitation and recovery of children rather than punishment. This essays advocates that reducing the SCR can be warranted in specific situations, but it should be done carefully with robust legal protection. Arguments or supporting evidence. In theory, the rising incidence of juvenile offense suggests that certain minors can grasp the immortal nature of their behaviors. A report from the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime UNODC 2023 indicates that your participation in violent crimes has increased by 15% worldwide over the last 10 years. Reducing the ACR enables legal system to effectively handle severe crimes and safeguard the community. Moreover, research conducted by the American Academy of Pediatrics or AAP 2016 indicates that while complete cognitive maturity is not reached until the mid 2020s, fundamental moral comprehension usually defaults by the age of 12. In Indonesia, the Juvenile Justice System Act (UU-SPPA) classifies children in legal trouble as individuals aged 12 to 18 years. Nevertheless, Indonesia prioritizes restorative justice and diversion, which strive to resolve criminal cases outside traditional court process by engaging the offender, the victim, the community to achieve a fair and equitable resolution. This method aims to prevent labeling children negatively and provides chance for their recovery. A global intent is China, which revised its criminal law in 2021 to reduce the minimum age of criminal responsibility or ACR to 12 years for two categories of several offenses: intentional murder and willful causing of serious injury leading to death or lasting disability. Despite this action being at odds with global trends, it was a reaction to the increasing incidence of serious offenses reported by young people. Legal experts highlight that robust legal safeguards, like the enforcement of dolly in effects principle, or assuming a child does not possess criminal capacity unless shown otherwise, defense linked to immaturity and varied sentencing alternative must accompany these initiatives to guarantee that only minors genuinely able from criminal intent are held accountable under the law 1 2024. Next, it will be my friends aggressive.
Counter argument and rebuttal. This contend that children do not possess complete maturity and consequently should not be treated equivalently to adults in criminal law. The Committee on the Right of the Child, or CRC 2019, at the United Nations suggests that the minimum age for criminal responsibility, or ACR, should not be less than 14 years, highlighting the importance of rehabilitation rather than punishment. Nonetheless, it is crucial to distinguish between minor offenses and major crimes. Serious violent crimes necessitate a distinct legal approach to guarantee justice for victims and protect public safety. Even when criminal responsibility is acknowledged sooner, rehabilitation can still take precedence. Indonesia's restorative justice framework widens the juvenile justice system. Acts highlight how legal systems can uphold a balance between safeguarding children rights and fairly addressing serious crimes. Conclusion. In summary, safeguarding children's rights is crucial, but holding individuals accountable for serious crimes is equally important. Reducing the ACR accompanied by features legal protection and emphasis on rehabilitation can create an equitable balance between community interests and the rights of juvenile offenders. Indonesia's approach to restorative justice demonstrates that legal frameworks can successfully adjust to address these intricate requirements.
Okay, that's all. That's all our presentation about is it fair to lower the age of criminal responsibility? If there any mistaken in our words, we apologize. Thank you for everyone watching this video. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and everyone. Uh, I think that's all we can say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.